Hi guys, Wolfere here. And on that last video of Guess That Ceiling Fan, I told you I'd be doing a balancing of this ceiling fan. Well, I didn't want to say this, but I think this fan has a lot of issues, personally, because, here, let me just demonstrate. That's reverse, right? Now this is forwards. Does absolutely nothing. All three speeds. Does nothing. But if you finagle with the switch a little, I can get it to going forward. See, now you can tell that ceiling fan is badly warped, because look at the way it's wobbling. So we're going to fix this quick. Or see if my magical hands can fix this poor fan. Alright, let's just start out with, it's probably going to come to about 8 inches, is what I'm figuring. Pretty damn close. It's 8 inches. So this one is at 7.5, so it's got to go down. Now it's at 8. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. That one's at 6.5. That was really good. That blade was really down. Okay. 10.5. Okay. Now we're at 8. Oh my god, this one's at 6 too. That one's exactly at 6. That one's gonna go down a lot. Remember what I said, grab it right here. Never do it like this because you'll wreck the blade bracket. Okay, I got 8. I got 8. I got 8. And I got 8. Now let's try it. Still a little wobble, but it's a lot better than what it was, I'd say. I mean, everybody will have their own opinions. Yeah, we'll do a little more balancing. Alright, let's stop that. That fan's gonna take forever. It seems like the roof is slanting a little, so I can't do it right there. I got 8. I got 8. 8. I got 8. That one's gotta go down just a smidge. I think that's pretty good. Let's try and reverse. Like I said, just be patient. Don't rush it, because you can snap these. I've done it. I've done it. I've snapped these blade brackets off, and blade is a bitch. So take your time with it. You know, it's not a race to see who can get it done the fastest. I'm just good at it because I've done it for years. So I'm probably going on about at least 13 years. See, look at that. Even on reverse now, it doesn't shake at all. I'd say that's pretty good. It's running quiet and true. See that? How you can find true on a ceiling fan. Go, Don't crack the blade, you dummy. Oh, and I cracked the blade again. And see, I'm getting 8 inches. And I cracked the blade again. What is on? Oh, that's right. It's got little tips on it. Let's see. I'm getting exactly 8 inches all around. Didn't hurt the fan, but it took a chunk out of my ruler. Damn. Man. I'm gonna make you buy me a new ruler. Yeah. See. Yeah. It's. Oh. I swear it's these stupid knobbies on this fan. Yeah. It's true. It's a good fan. Let's put the light off. Let's put the light on. I also have another fan over there. I got to balance. I got two over there with bearing issues. I got my old PV subwoofer that I'm working on. Something's not right. I think the preamp is bad, or some of the two. So yeah, like I said, just be patient. Take your time. Be safe about it, and have fun. Well, for out. Oh, one last thing. You can leave any comments down below, and I'll give you tips on how you can balance the fan and and whatnot. But well, Furry, saying goodbye. Bye bye.